If you are searching for answers about what are long tail keywords, their importance, and how to use them in practical, then you have come to the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to MAK SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from an expert team of MAK. In today's lecture, we are embarking on an essential journey understanding long tail keywords, their significance, and practical use. This knowledge will be a game changer for your SEO expertise. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full MAKblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Long tail keywords are your SEO superstars. They are longer, highly specific phrases that users input into search engines to find precisely what they are looking for. Unlike generic keywords, long tail keywords hold the power to bring your content to the forefront. Consider a scenario. You manage a tech blog. Instead of chasing the generic keyword like smartphones, you opt for a long tail keyword like best budget smartphones for gaming. Can you see the difference? It's like zooming in on a niche within a niche. Now, why are these long tail keywords so damn important? Let me tell you why. Precision and relevance. Long tail keywords are highly specific, addressing the exact needs or questions of your audience. This precision makes your content more relevant to users' search queries. Imagine you are searching for the perfect gluten-free chocolate cake recipe. Instead of typing chocolate cake, you might search for moist gluten-free chocolate cake recipe. This specificity ensures that the search results precisely match what you are looking for. Next, we have lower competition. Unlike generic short-tail keywords, long-tail keywords face less competition. This means you have a better chance of ranking higher in search results. Imagine you have a small online store selling handcrafted jewelry. If you target the keyword jewelry, you will find yourself competing with large jewelry retailers and e-commerce giants. But if you customize your content for unique artisan-made gemstone necklaces, you significantly improve your chances of distinguishing your store in search results. Next, we have higher conversion rates. When users search with long-tail keywords, they often have a clear intent, whether it's seeking information or making a purchase. This intent translates into higher conversion rates, right? For example, think about it. If someone searches for buy eco-friendly gardening tools, they are likely ready to make a purchase. Got it? So, move forward, catering to voice search. With the rise of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, long-tail keywords are essential. People tend to use more natural language when speaking to voice assistants, which aligns with long-tail usage. Imagine you run a blog about healthy eating and you are optimizing your content to be voice search friendly. Instead of focusing solely on the keyword nutritious breakfast, consider incorporating long tail keywords like what are some quick and healthy breakfast recipes for busy mornings. These longer, more conversational phrases align with how people typically ask voice assistants for information, making your content more voice search friendly. Got it? Now that we recognize their importance, let's explore how to practically implement long tail keywords. Start with a seed keyword. Start by selecting a broad topic related to your content. This initial topic is referred to as your seed keyword. For instance, if you run a gardening blog, your seed keyword could be gardening tips. Next, we have use keyword research tools. Utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. These tools can help you discover specific long tail keywords related to your seed keyword. Then, think like your audience. Put yourself in your audience's shoes. What questions might they ask? What specific problems do they need solutions for? Customize your long tail keywords around these questions and problems. Then create quality content. Once you have focused these juicy long tail keywords, create high quality content around them. Write blog posts, articles, or videos that provide valuable answers and solutions. Then monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on the performance of your content. Are people finding it? Are they engaging with it? If not, don't be afraid to adjust your strategy and try different long tail keywords. So, there you have it, the power of long tail keywords. They might be longer, but they are laser focused. And when used strategically, they can be your secret weapon for attracting the right audience. In our upcoming lessons, we will teach you how to find these valuable keywords for free so you can work towards achieving top Google search results. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for being a part of Lecture 12, where we have simplified long tail keyword, recognized their significance, and discovered how to use them effectively in real life scenarios. And remember, if you are looking for exceptional digital services including SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.